We've got the cookies. That was whack. Hi everybody, I'm Devonna Banks, the super proud owner of Butter Bakery in Pasadena, California. We've been around for a little over 3 years and we make baked goods and desserts just like grandma used to make, always homemade from scratch. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make my Heath Bar cookies. Heath Bars are milk chocolate covered English toffee. I love English toffee and butter toffee and all those types of candies. So I figured, why not marry the two things? My favorite candy and cookies. So to get started, I'm adding white sugar and light brown sugar. The white sugar allows the cookies to spread, where the brown sugar gives it more of a molasses flavor. The next ingredient that we add is my most favorite, melted butter. Oh yeah. The next ingredient will just be a little bit of salt to keep it from being so overly sweet. So we'll stir the butter and sugar together until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs. Sometimes I'm pretty good at cracking the egg and opening it with one hand. Today though, ta-da! Stir the eggs completely until there's no more yellow. Once they're fully incorporated, it should look like loose caramel. So while this is in this state, we can add vanilla. I'll mix all that in and don't be afraid of how loose the batter looks right now. Now I'm gonna add some flour. And it's really important to, when you add flour, not to like pack it in, because you don't wanna pack it too deep or too heavy because it'll change the texture of your cookies at the end. We're adding the baking soda and you have to mix the flour and baking soda until you see no more white. Keep going until you see no more flour, no lumps, nothing. So the dough is gonna be very soft still at this point, but don't worry about it, keep going. So this is the fun part. You take the Heath Bars fresh from the freezer and you slam them on the counter to break them into pieces. And once they're broken, you can just pour them directly into the batter. You want there to be various sizes of chocolate and toffee. This is what will add a lot of good texture to your cookies. Just loosely mix the candy into the cookie dough. You can chill the dough for about an hour in the refrigerator. So as you can see, the cookie dough is different now. It's a little more solidified. So I usually use ice cream scoop because it makes the cookies consistent in their size and what have you. And if you don't have a ice cream scoop, don't worry about it. You can always just use a regular tablespoon. See? So I'm gonna pop these in the oven and then I'll check back with you guys when they're done. The cookies are out and they've been cooling for about maybe 10 minutes. So now the best part, it's time to try. This is my son, Jacoby. He's here to eat some cookies. You ready to try?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's try cookies.
These are fire, especially with the crunch around the rim.
Definitely crunchy, definitely soft in the middle. There's chocolate hints, there's toffee. I love the fact that they're sweet and then a hint of salt. The best thing about this cookie though is the butter. It's my favorite part. No, it can't be because Heath is my favorite part. So that, guys, is my Heath Bar cookie recipe.
Let us know what you guys think in the comments below.
Yeah, do what he said. Oh, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at _butterbakery.
And TikTok at _butterbakery.
Yes. Bye, you guys.
Bye.
Oh, yes.